Hi, I'm Amber from Amber Polk Interiors, and today is our kitchen reveal. And I forgot to do an intro like on the steps, but I'm doing one now. So I hope y'all all enjoyed the crazy ride that it took to get here. As you can see, the countertops have been taken off. So now the new ones have to be put on. It was pretty gross. Then the sink has to be cut out. And what else, hon? The countertops have to be up at the set sink put in, and then the garbage disposal and all that. And then we could put in the backsplash. So, and that will be the final step, right?
Sure.
Oh no, the windowsill. We have to do the windowsill too. So we're gonna take that off. Actually, I might take it off right now. The first countertop is in, guys. Guys, look at this. So it's really early in the morning and getting ready to leave for work, but I thought I'd show y'all a little update. Sink's not all the way in. It's not working. It's been 2 days now. I've been up since 5 trying to get this kitchen finished for tomorrow's video. I'm trying my hardest. It's actually going really good. I've been cutting the backsplash and putting it up, and I love it. So you can see it's not here. I put it here, but it's not attached anywhere yet. But I'm starting to paint it just to have at least one coat, and I'm not for sure if this paint is sticking to it. I'm a little concerned, so we will see how it goes. But so far, everything, this kitchen is beautiful to me, and I absolutely love it, and I'm so glad we did this. But excited to get this done. I'm excited to show y'all everything that we've done. I know you see a little bit. Excuse the dog again. Lots going on. Some surprises. Some things surprised me even. It's kind of cool. But you know, to show y'all, hopefully when I come back, you're gonna be seeing a fully done and decorated kitchen. Hi, so we are in the 99% finished kitchen. I'm absolutely in love with this kitchen. I'm shocked what $1,500 could do in this space, and that's a lot of money. I know it is to me, but when you compare that to most kitchen redos, that's like a drop in the bucket. So that was our entire kitchen, and it was about the budget we set. Let me take you for a walk around here and show you all the things I did. I am so happy with this kitchen, and I literally finished it 15 minutes ago. So let me show you. Let me walk you around. Okay, what we have on this cabinet is just the utensils that I use every day, and I do use these utensils every day. And I've just found some cute Hearth and Hand little measuring cups because I really needed some, and some this I made with my rosemary that I grew here last year, so it is finishing salt. And then of course I was gifted this from a friend, well, a bunch of friends actually. So that's going on there. It smells wonderful because, you know, it has amber in it. But the bead board turned out wonderful, and I kept it really simple with putting one individual little photo that I adore this photo. I don't know what it is about it that I like so much, but it's petite and wonderful. Okay, if you know me, you know I like unexpected things. So the unexpected thing is the cute little egg photo. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. It was just wonderful. We eat eggs all the time. I cannot wait to have chickens. So, you know, it's just kind of a little funny thing for me. And then of course I keep all my things that I use all the time for the stove, and then mortar and pestle that I thought was just really cute. I have a bunch of them. I actually think I'm going to put some more, but I'm just not quite sure yet what I'm going to do. it's all contained inside of the marble tray that I got back probably 2, 3, 4 years ago at TJ Maxx, and it's held up really well. I really like it. And then I have a lamp in that corner because that corner does get very dark typically, and I just want to make sure that we have plenty of light now, because that was one of our goals, is to have light in this place. And moving over, this is the corner where I actually use these cutting boards. And the egg holder is an egg holder my husband and I made a couple years ago. We got everybody one for Christmas, and we made it, and we love it. We use them all the time. Okay, and over here on the left-hand side of the sink, we have our coffee station. My husband has recently started liking coffee, which is a new thing. It's unusual, but I'm glad that he does, because I do too. And now, I have somebody I can share that joy with. I put a little hook up here for the coffee cups, and then this little container for all of our pods that go in here, and they're Starbucks pods, so they're green and pretty, and I just put them in there. I don't know if I'll keep them in this clear container later, but it's really cute. I really like it. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby, maybe Amazon. I don't know. Let me find it. This was a Christmas gift from my husband last year, and I really like it. It makes really good coffee, but it makes strong coffee. So if you like strong coffee, this is the way to go. I got these mugs on Amazon. He goes where I go. It's just something I've had, and he belongs in the kitchen, and it is a he. I don't know why it's a he, because I'm the captain. But anyway, I bought a little tray for the milk frother and got a faux plant because it's winter time. This seam that's right here, we have not gotten to that yet. We have not filled that, so that's one of the 99% that we have not finished, but it will be. And it does go directional, like it's going this way all the way around. So, it was easier than trying to cut 45s when we don't know what we're doing, and it doesn't bother me. It's butcher block. I actually absolutely love this. So, let me see. Can you see? Okay, you can see the sink here. The sink. We had a Collier cast iron sink. When you think that, you think Collier cast iron, whew, and most people did. But the particular sink that was here when we got here had a big lip, like it was almost a U that went all the way around, and it was 2 sinks that were not really big, and it was just constant in our water. We have hard water here, so it was just a constant battle with keeping the thing clean and trying to get things done in it. So we bought a Glacier base sink from Home Depot, and it is 9 inches deep on one side and I think 11 on the other. I might be wrong on that, but it slants so all the water goes to one direction, and it's a single hole, sinkhole, which we love. It came with a grate. It actually came with the faucet, and I loved the faucet that we had before, but this one is the same exact tone of stainless steel. The other one wasn't. So, and this has a nifty little pull down handle where you can wash everything up nice and clean. I'm going to teach my husband how to use that later. That didn't come out the way I meant it to. I want to teach him how to use it because he's okay, never mind, moving on. Okay, the sun's right behind me, so I don't know how well you're going to see this, and hopefully I'm not completely orange, but we put these sconces up, and I absolutely love them. Like, it's my favorite thing, I think, in the kitchen. We did the puck light trick, and if you don't know what that is, let me show you. These are not hardwired in. Maybe we might actually do that, but we bought this little extender here from Amazon, and we bought the puck lights to put, and it came with things to go like under cabinets and stuff, and we stuck it to that, and that fits on there. And then we bent our shade as much as we could. We bent it and it fits right on, and we have light above the sink now. I love it. I think it looks really good. It softens the area, and I'm just very pleased with it. I'm very pleased. Another thing I will say too is I don't really like the shades. I plan on covering them, doing probably like a loose pleat or something on them, and making it really cute. But this is what fit. This is what I could get in time. There are so many things that I actually haven't gotten yet that it's kind of crazy. Like shipping right now is just horrible, and I'm not going to complain. It's going to get here. It's just not going to get here before this video. So let me show you one more thing. Okay, in this area right here, I bought a frame that is not here, so I can't put up the art, but this is the piece of art. I found it on Etsy, and I will link the shop. It is seriously so pretty. It's an apple orchard, and it's going to go right here. It's going to hang right here in a picture frame. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me show you. Here. It's going to hang here. I might move this stuff over. I don't know, but it's going to go there, and with a really pretty frame, and I love it. I think it's going to go really well. And over here on this side, we usually keep keys right here, and the key holder that I have, I don't like, and I didn't want to put back. I mean, it was all right, but I didn't want to put it back. And I have had a surprising amount of trouble finding things like a key holder that I like. I'm so picky. So between that and then finding art, I haven't found that art that I want this to be filled with. So that's still a work in progress. A lot of this is a work in progress. These countertops are going to be oiled also, and so they will actually be quite a bit darker. But you know, don't have time for that right now. And let me show you this side. This side, where our fridge is, I found one individual hook that I thought was okay enough to put up here, and I searched. I will say I probably searched 6, 7 stores to try to find a hook, guys. And no one had one I liked. They were either way too big, the wrong color, and I just wanted something simple, but didn't look like it belonged in a bathroom. So I found one. If I find more later, I will. But if you like this makeover, please tell me, please. Most people are really nice, and if you're not, you know where to go. But we like to keep things friendly here, and I know there's still so much controversy about the microwave being in the bottom part, and I'm going to put up some pictures of other people doing this. It's not my original idea, and maybe it'll like blow your mind. I don't know, but this is our choice in our house, and we don't care about resale value. You know, if we did eventually, it would probably take a couple $100s to fit a dishwasher, you know. With that being said, please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and share with your friends, and just say hi, guys. Say hi. I want to see how y'all are doing. If there's any problem areas in your house that you're having trouble with, you know, hit me up. Maybe we can do some sort of something where I can put your photos up and tell you what I would do with your room. So I will see you soon, guys.